Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back again to the bonk update. And today we're going to actually do some TA and let's look what is going on. Bitcoin has been pumping up and there's a few manipulation that Bitcoin has been doing. We've had some very incredible bearish patterns on the 4-hour time frame, but Bitcoin eventually broke all of them and invalidated all the bearish patterns, and for a moment it has pumped up. I even thought that bonk maybe was doing something where we had the support and resistance, and even bonk actually did a fake out. So if I just show you the support and resistance in here, you had your one support right there, another support breakdown, you even got a failed rejection here. Do you see that retest? That retest was actually a failure, and then eventually you still continue to go on and you actually pumped to the upside. Now there is something that I've actually studied regarding bonk, and these are the things that I want to talk about in the video. So let's get into those, and we're going to start off with the 15 minutes time frame, and we go on to the 15 minutes here. Now during this time it does look like we have a certain demand, not demand, but a supply area, or you can actually say resistance area, which we have one rejection here, you got another rejection there, and there is a chance of moving up again to 1795, and you can actually get rejected at 1795 and eventually break down. Now here's what's going to happen once you come up to that yellow box. Okay, it's not a price but just the yellow area. So two things are going to happen. Number one is you break above, you retest, and you go and you push and you keep pushing, and you can actually meet a certain technical target. That's the first thing you can do. And the technical target we're talking about, if you do this, it's going to be from top to bottom, and that's going to be 2184. So you can actually make a move further if you come for the retest, a 21% move to the upside. Okay, so that's the first thing that I do want to say and talk about. The second scenario, which is also likely to happen if Bitcoin retraces and Ethereum retraces 10%, then that's going to be you come up here to the area, you get rejected, and you fall down to 1550. And I'm going to tell you why you fall down to 1550. And why specifically did I say 1550 and not 1420 or even below? The reason is, this is just a prediction, right? The reason is I feel like this is a left shoulder. This also looks like a head. And if you come to 1550 and then go back up to the upside, that can be a right shoulder as well. So it actually, that's the only logic why you may actually bounce off from here and actually start to go up and, make inverted and shoulder and continue to go to the upside. So in the future, if you get the prices here, you can actually open up a short, you can open up a long again at 1550 if it actually ever goes down. So scenarios are endless here, but these are the possible best outcome scenarios that I've just mentioned in there. So what is it going to be? We do not know. Time is going to tell. But the time it took to build the left shoulder was from 30 May all the way to 3rd of June. So we built the right shoulder within 4 days, right? Can you build the right shoulder until 10th of June, right? If it took 4 days to build the left shoulder, well, I think I really am interested to see what's going to happen in the next 4 days. So do make sure you're following the channel, and to stay to updates, click the bell icon so that I can send notification on your phone as soon as I post about bonk. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.